Spotted a PROPDESC file in your Windows system folder? These are property schema definitions used by the operating system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these property description files are and how Windows uses them. I call this the last resort solution for those PROPDESC files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. PROPDESC files are property description schema files used by Microsoft Windows to define custom file properties and metadata. They register property definitions with the Windows property system, enabling file types to expose searchable metadata in Windows Explorer and search functionality. PROPDESC files use XML format following the Microsoft Property Description Schema specification, with property keys, data types, display labels, search filters, and edit rules. The schema defines how custom properties integrate with Windows Search and the File Properties dialog system. Visual Studio Code is the standard set by Microsoft for accessing the PROPDESC format. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows cannot validate their meaning, so incorrect edits can cause issues. To bypass the default application error, right-click the PROPDESC file and choose Open With. Prioritize Visual Studio Code if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a viable decoder. When your PROPDESC file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the PROPDESC error using these three focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, viewing as XML. Open the PROPDESC file in a text editor or XML viewer like Visual Studio Code Notepad++ or XML Notepad to inspect the property definitions. The XML structure reveals property names, data types, and display configurations registered with the Windows property system for file types. Next, registering with Windows. Use the prsgr.exe property system schema registration utility from the Windows SDK to register PROPDESC files with the system. Run the command prsgr.exe. Register property schema file.filename.PROPDESC as administrator to add the property definitions to the Windows property system. Finally, letting Windows manage. PROPDESC files and system directories are managed by Windows and installed applications. Avoid modifying or deleting these files as they support file metadata functionality. If you encounter issues with file properties, run System File Checker with sfc/scan now to repair damaged system files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.